One of my favorite desserts, and so easy to make, egg yolks cooked in syrup, cooled and served with a bit of cream and a bit of chocolate pieces if you like. Take 1 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of water, dissolve over medium heat so you have a syrup. Beat 4 egg yolks until they are nice and creamy. And then we're going to drizzle the egg yolks into the simmering syrup so that it's cooked just a few minutes. Remove the egg yolks and melt a little bit of butter in a skillet to brown the egg yolks on each side. Look how delicious. Now they're ready. Just set them aside to cool, and once everything is chilled, ready to assemble, serve, and really enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing to the channel.